Ano pinagkaiba ng primary, contingent, revocable at irrevocable beneficiaries? Ang primary beneficiaries ang unang makakatanggap ng insurance proceeds. Ang contingent ang next in line. Kung wala na si primary, example, asawa mo bilang primary, anak mo bilang contingent. Tapos, ang revocable beneficiaries ay yung pwedeng palitan anytime. Flexible. Ang pros nito, easy to update. Lalo kung may life changes like hiwalayan o bagong anak. Cons, proceeds are subject to state tax. Irrevocable beneficiaries naman ay hindi mo pwedeng palitan nang walang consent ng beneficiary. Pros, hindi subject to state tax ang proceeds. Ang cons naman, walang flexibility on your own. Kahit anong galaw o changes sa policy, kailangan pa ng approval nila. Talk to your advisor. Review your policy and update your beneficiaries if necessary.